It's time for the Sea Lion Splash. Hi guys, welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is the Sea Lion Splash. First one back since break went past. McGaw Elementary School by the sea. Hope you had the best time with your family. We hope that you are feeling well. Got so many stories we can't wait to tell. Winter break was wonderful. Now here we are back at McGaw, our shining star. Sea Lion Splash. Welcome back today. Time to learn and grow in every way. See your friends and show your ass so bright. Respect, achievement, heart will get it right. Miss Wood, and I can't wait to see all your smiling faces here with me. Did you play in snow or stay inside? Did you laugh and sing and go for rides? Now we're back together, ready to begin. Learning new things with a great big grin. Ocean breezes blowing through the air. McGaw Elementary, we're glad you're there. Time to show us our behavior strong. Come on, Sea Lions, let's sing along. Sea Lion Splash, welcome back today. Time to learn and grow in every way. See your friends and show your ass so bright. Respect, achievement, heart will get it right. Miss Wood, and I can't wait to see all your smiling faces here with me. Respect for everyone around. Achieving in everything we found. Heart in all we say and do. McGaw Sea Lions, this is you.
All right, put it in. High five. Yeah.
Sea Lion Splash, we're back again, ready to learn with all our friends. See those smiles, hear that cheer. Best school by the sea, we're here. Miss Wood and I are so excited to see Lion Splash is back for you. Welcome back, Sea Lions unite. McGaw Elementary shining
Nice, go
bright.
turn it in.
This is the splash, let's make it great. First one back, we can't wait. Woo. Sea Lion Splash.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.